Take away the trees and the birds all have to sit upon the ground. And take away the wings and the birds all have to walk to get around. And take away the bird baths and the dirty birds will soon be everywhere. And take away the feathers and the birds all walk around in underwear. Take away the whistle and the birds have to whisper when they sing.
Chirp, chirp.
Take away the common sense and they'll be headed southward in the spring. Oh, remember me, my darling, when the spring is in the air. Bald-headed birds are whispering everywhere, and you see them walking southward in their dirty underwear. That's Tennessee bird walk. How about some trees so the birds won't have to sit upon the ground? How about some wings so the birds don't have to walk to get around? How about a bird bath? There's two so the birds will soon be clean. And how about some feathers so their underwear will no longer be seen? How about a little whistle so the birds won't have to whisper when they sing?
Chirp, chirp.
And how about some common sense so they won't be blocking traffic in the spring? Oh, remember me, my darling, when the spring is in the air. Bald-headed birds are whispering everywhere when you see them walking southward in their dirty underwear. That's Tennessee bird walk.
Chirp, chirp.
Tennessee bird walk.
Chirp, chirp.
That's 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 Tennessee bird walk.